No matter how many curling wands or straighteners you have in your arsenal, you need to have a quality blow dryer in the mix as well. It dries hair quickly, can tamp down frizz better than any styling product, and depending on your dexterity, can also help straighten or curl your hair. However, finding a good hair dryer can be easier said than done, especially with all the beauty buzzwords surrounding it. If you're searching for a new hair dryer, you're likely running into words like ionic, infrared, and tourmaline, and you may be wondering if you're participating in a scientific discovery rather than finding a simple beauty tool that'll just dry your hair in a few minutes. Here are the top 5 best hair dryer to buy in 2020 according to many top review sites. At number 5. Best Travel, T3 Featherweight Compact Folding Dryer. A mini dryer with maxi punch for on-the-go styling and convenient storage in small spaces. Engineered with T3 soft air technology, it emits an expansive volume of air to rapidly dry large sections of hair. Custom blend, ceramic-coated elements help create shiny, frizz-free results that last. The small frame, folding handle and ultralight body render it ideal for travel or for maintaining clutter-free environments. The unique folding handle helps eliminate space waste, making this petite yet powerful dryer ideal for storage in small places or styling on the go. Designed with advanced airflow technology, T3 soft air technology emits an expansive volume of air to dry large sections of hair quickly and gently while helping neutralize static, retain moisture, diffuse frizz, and boost shine. Dry hair fast and keep it healthy anytime, anywhere with 2 speeds and heat settings, a cool shot, and dual voltage. Number 4. Best for Fine Hair, Harry Josh Pro Tools Pro Dryer 2000. Straight, curly, or wavy, this mint green Pro Hair Dryer 2000 from Harry Josh is here for all your hair styling and drying needs. Equipped with multiple heat and speed settings, this professional dryer lets you choose how you dry your hair. The blue button down the front is for a cold shot to tame frizzy hair without the damage. With 2 nozzle attachments and an ion setting that you can turn on or off, this Harry Josh blow dryer is your in-house stylist. Harry Josh Pro Tools Pro Dryer 2000 utilizes advanced, dual ion functionality to allow for a customized sleek or voluminous styling with maximum shine. The most powerful dryer in its class. It features a long-life 2000-hour AC motor, 1875 watts, and 125 volts that will blow air at 80 plus mph to cut drying time in half. It's equipped with multiple heat and speed settings, a dual filtration system that reduces energy consumption by up to 70%, and a true cold shot button to set your style and minimize frizz. Its lightweight, patented ergonomic design perfectly conforms to your hand for maximum comfort and control. Number 3. Best for Curly Hair, Dava Curl Dava Dryer and Dava Fuser. It's the dryer and diffuser combo your curls have been waiting for. Introducing the Deva Dryer and Deva Fuser. It's amazing how one simple change can transform the way you feel about your curls. The improved Deva Dryer has a dozen upgraded features, and the curls' patented Deva Fuser delivers 360-degree airflow to enhance your natural curls or waves. Curls look beautifully defined and frizz-free due to the gentle drying from this perfect duo. Created specifically for curls, this duo is a game changer. The Deva Dryer's ionic technology helps create softer, shinier, frizz-controlled curls, paired with the patented, hand-shaped Deva Fuser that surrounds curls in 360-degree airflow and gets right to the roots, where it takes longest to dry. Your curls dry faster with enhanced definition and volume. You'll wonder how you lived without them. Number 2, Best Affordable, Remington D3190 Damage Protection Hair Dryer. Achieve shiny, healthier hair with the Remington Damage Protection Hair Dryer. The advanced coating technology offers 3 times more protection during styling, and the proprietary micro-conditioner technology keeps your hair healthier. This dryer combines ceramic plus ionic plus tourmaline technologies with 1875-watt max power for fast, healthy styles and less frizz. With 3 heat and 2 speed settings, you can find the airflow performance you prefer for your hair type. Then lock in your gorgeous styles with the Cool Shot button. Plus, the concentrator and diffuser attachments make it easy to style with precision or build volume and lift while you dry your hair. The Remington Damage Protection Hair Dryer combines advanced technologies with powerful airflow. Ionic, ceramic, and tourmaline technologies reduce frizz and static and help to dry hair faster than standard Remington dryers. The 1875-watt motor with speed and heat controls dries hair in no time, and the diffuser and concentrator attachments let you specialize your style. At number 1, Best Overall, Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer. The Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer is engineered to protect hair from extreme heat damage, with fastest drying and controlled styling to help increase smoothness by 75%, increase shine by up to 132% and decrease frizz and flyaways by up to 61%. Thank you for watching about Top 5 Best Hair Dryer in 2020. If you want to know about the best deal on these products, we have put a link in the description section below.